there could be something further out. It could be, I don't know, we could find something further out, I don't know. But yeah, definitely gonna drone this one with the ROV. Good girl, come on. Come on. I know. Come on. Oh, the water's clear today. There's turtles too. Careful down here. Come on. Good girl. No, don't go in there. That's really gross. Really dirty. Nope, don't go in there. I'm gonna put you on the tree here for a while. While I work, okay? Not like that. Too much gunk. Oh, the propellers are getting all grossed up. Oh, there's just too much gunk in there. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh man, that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna need I'm gonna need a knife or something to get that stuff out of there. Oh man, no droning this. All right, Moon. At least we get to take a walk. The last time I'd visited here before bringing Moon, I'd noticed a man with a large backpack heading past the soccer fields and toward the back tree line. I decided I would investigate where he was headed when I returned with Moon. I immediately noticed with the drone that the trail enters the tree line from this park. Scanning the other side, I noticed a path and people walking by through the trees. I realized I'd just found another entrance to the Creeper Trail, a local trail stretching all the way from Abingdon to White Top Mountain. Sure enough, when I scanned through the top of the trees, I could see the well-known trail stretching far out into the distance. Realizing that the shortest path Michael could have taken to access the Creeper Trail was this park, I decided to take Moon for a walk and start scouting this stretch of trail and see if there were any locations where Michael could have fallen or gotten stuck and could be hidden from the many bikers, hikers, and runners along this trail every day. It's a Creeper Trail, actually. Here's the Creeper Trail. What'd you find, Moon? skate park. It's a skate park. We're gonna do skate. You skater dog? Something in the bushes over there. Let's go check it out. There's a fence there. Come on, Moon. Just garbage. Yeah. Just a piece of metal or something. Alright, let's keep walking the edge, Moon. Come on. Check behind the wall. Alright, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, Moon. Come here. Here, Moon. Look. Look, water. Water. Good? You're thirsty. Holy cow. Alright. Let's go. So the creeper trail is quite long, as everyone knows, and as I'm walking along here, I'm just realizing some of these sides are very steep, and you can't see the bottom unless you're walking right at the edge of the trail. Unless you're intentionally looking, you're not going to see anything, and I don't think you can. Probably on a bike, probably if you go slow enough and scan very carefully, you could on a bike. But I'm not so sure. Oh, here's some bikes come. We're gonna get back to the car now. I think Moon and I are gonna finish off our walk. Creeper Trail may be next, actually.